Blue Economy Cooperative Research Centre is a research organization in Australia that focuses on developing sustainable and innovative solutions for the marine and coastal industries. The center conducts research in areas such as aquaculture, maritime engineering, ocean energy, and coastal management. The goal of this research center is to support the growth of the blue economy and create new jobs in the marine and coastal sectors while also protecting the environment. That's where our topic comes in: ocean innovation and monitoring. Innovation is important in marine engineering because it allows for the development of new and improved technologies and systems which benefit both the marine industry and directly or indirectly the people. For example, aquaculture, wind energy, recreational sites, and many more. This also leads to increased efficiency, cost savings, and improved performance. Ocean monitoring is important because it allows us to gain knowledge of this complex and interconnected system that covers 71% of the Earth's surface. It regulates the climate, it produces oxygen, and supports diverse marine life, making it crucial for human survival and well-being. Monitoring is important innovation because it allows for the detection of problems and impacts both in the marine environment as well as tracking of the performance of innovation over time. This can help identify areas in need of improvement and prevent potential environmental impacts. Together, innovation and monitoring help to ensure that engineering systems are designed and operated in the most effective, efficient, and sustainable manner possible. That's what innovation and monitoring means to us. But we also thought of asking some of our fellow professionals at the Blue Economy CRC Summer School. Let's hear what they have to say.
So the innovation of offshore aquaculture practices for me as someone who's studying aquaculture has led to the greater utilisation of our natural resources in a more sustainable way. But without the monitoring, we're not going to know if what we're doing is detrimental to the environment. So it's essential to monitor the actual natural resources so we don't actually deplete them on accident.
So yeah, innovation's a great thing, and I think it's really a great thing for the marine environment, especially because there's so many new technologies coming out. I'm a researcher in wave energy devices, and actually these require a lot of new innovation these days because of the fact that they're very novel technologies. So one thing that we have to come up with is obviously new designs that are able to harness this new renewable energy.
I truly believe that the next frontier of development will be on the ocean. So ocean innovation is key to making a successful offshore development out in a very, very alien environment, and at the same time, it needs to be sustainable. So, for example, if you want to build a floating city out there in the ocean, you certainly need a lot of innovation, a lot of pieces of disciplines and knowledge as well as technology to bring everything together. But the important aspect is also to make sure that it's safe out there. Monitoring is essential to the well-being of the entire functioning and operation of the entire floating city.
I think the actual answer to whether we need innovation and monitoring is it's a hoary problem. That is that there's tension between ocean users, and the actual reality is that people really do react badly to things that they feel are unsightly and produce noise and affect their amenity. And so that's why you actually do need innovative solutions to find a way to get them offshore and solve all those technical problems that are associated with getting them offshore. That's why we have all these brilliant scientists and engineers and environmentalists to try and make these things work, because it's a big driver, the actual effects of amenity on ocean users.
Well, there is a simple physics principle, which is that you can't understand something you can't measure. So monitoring is quite important in all aspects of science, and it's even more in engineering. So it is quite obvious that the more you measure things and the more you understand, the more you are actually able to innovate. And you could see well, my 2 decades of research, I could experience that the more I could measure and the more we could come a collective way with innovative. So there is definitely a need to keep continuously improving measurements technique, better understand and better characterize physical phenomena, engineering structure response, and so on. You have to do some sound editing.
Yes.
And to actually be able to innovate.
Proceed. Ask me the question.
You wanted to ask it again?
Yeah, you ask the question and I
Okay.
answer. Yeah.
So you're asking me the question first? No.
Oh, do I have to? Okay.
Yeah, it's better to have a bit of a
Okay.
conversation.
Go.
Do you want to say? Wait. Do you want to say the question first?
Why everybody
Or,
wants the
is it the
question?
same question every time?
Oh, can we do bloopers in the end? Okay, so basically,